Afternoon. Hi, students. In the last video, there was one question which I left for you, if you recall. So I'll first solve that question for you. Let me write down that question. We are basically discussing the paper of 2019, which was held in January, second shift. Okay. And this question was the function x defined by x. This function is split into two parts. Okay. It is ax square plus bx plus 4 when x is greater or equal to minus 1. It is bx square plus a when x is less than minus 1. The function is defined by this is differentiable or not, is differentiable on R. All real numbers are differentiable. Then find the value of f of 2. Then f of 2 equals. Okay. The options are 12, 16. Let me write 1, 2, 3 because in the entrance, rather than giving options of ABC, they give 1, 2, 3, 4. Third option is 20. The fourth option is 4. That is the question. Now, the function is differentiable. It's been given to us. Read the question carefully. The function is completely differentiable, and as we can see, function is split into two parts. And function में दो unknown है, एक a और दूसरा b. And we are supposed to find the function f of 2. F of 2 find करने के लिए I need to know what is the value of a, what is the value of b, है ना? So for that I need to have two equations. So अगर कोई function differentiable है, for sure it will be also continuous. मतलब we can always equate RHL and LHL. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? At x is equal to minus 1. Why x is equal to minus 1? Because the function is split into two parts at x is equal to minus 1. So at x is equal to minus 1 will equate RHL is equal to LHL. अब जरा देखो RHL कहाँ से आएगा? जहां पे x की वैल्यू माइनस 1 से बड़ी है, तो यहाँ से RHL आएगा. Limit extending to minus 1 plus h. Okay. I'll write the function. The function is ax square plus bx plus 4. I can also find the value and equate with the LHL. वो भी हम कर सकते थे, but मैं पूरा solve कर रहा हूँ. LHL और RHL दोनों find कर रहा हूँ. And this is limit extending to minus 1 minus h. LHL यहाँ से आएगा because x less than minus 1 यहाँ पर है. bx square plus a. Fine. So basically we are equating, we are finding RHL and LHL, and we are basically equating them. तो आगे जरा देखो. Next step हम क्या करते हैं? X tends to 0. X is a very small positive number approaching 0. Wherever you have x, replace it by minus 1 plus h, minus 1 plus h plus 4. The right side also limit h tends to 0. Wherever you have x, replace it by 1 minus 1 minus h whole square plus h. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हम क्या करते हैं? LHL RHL में h tends to 0 कर देते हैं. अब put this limit because 0 by 0 तो होने वाला है नहीं, h को 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. minus 1 plus 0 का होल स्क्वायर, minus 1 plus 0 plus 4, and this is getting a minus b plus 4 equals to b plus a. देखो जरा, a से a कैंसिल हो जाएगा. That will give you b is equal to 2. Take it out. LHL equal to RHL करने पे हमें b की वैल्यू 2 आ गई. Since function was differentiable at x is equal to -1 because function is differentiable on r और फंक्शन स्प्लिट हो रहा है -1 पे, इसीलिए हम -1 पे RHL और LHL को इक्वेट कर रहे हैं. So when we equate RHL and LHL, we get B is equal to 2. अब since function is also differentiable on R, we use differentiability. इसको एक बार लिख लो, फिर मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा. I'll be using that function is also differentiable. एक बार लिख लो, write it down. So we have B is equal to 2. We have found B is equal to 2. तो हम बाद में use करेंगे. Now, function is also differentiable on R. Therefore, it would be differentiable at x equal to -1 also. Now we use differentiability at x equal to -1 because function is split at -1. RHD equal to LHD. RHD का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? लिमिट टेंडिंग टू सॉरी एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, and LHD is always limit h tending to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. ये LHD और RHD का फॉर्मूला है. H is again approaching 0, h is tending to 0. यहाँ पे द पॉइंट जहां हम डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी चेक कर रहे हैं, इट इज बेसिकली a is equal to -1. Again, you will decide which function you have to take. RHD में you will take this function, ठीक है, because x is more than -1. RHD में ऊपर वाला फंक्शन आएगा, the limit h tends to 0, and this is basically, पहले मैं a को रिप्लेस कर देता हूँ, a is -1 f of -1 divided by h, and this is limit h tending to 0. A is basically -1 minus h minus f of -1 divided by -h. बरोबर है? Then let's substitute the function limit h tending to 0. Now, when x is more than -1, this is the function to be taken. So wherever you have x, you replace it by -1 plus h a whole square plus b into -1 plus h plus 4, right? इसी में हम f को -1 डाल देंगे. x को -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे, दिस वुड बी a into -1 का स्क्वायर minus b plus 4 and whole divided by x. This is RHD. LHD में ये वाला फंक्शन यूज होगा, लिमिट x tending to 0 b into -1 minus h का whole square plus a minus sign f of -1. This would be b into -1 का square, which is b only, plus a whole divided by minus. Now we need to simplify. You can't substitute the limit, otherwise 0 by 0 आएगा. तो simplify करो, a into 1 plus h square minus 2h. This is minus b plus bh plus 4. This is minus a plus b minus 4 whole divided by. Right side will be limit extends to 0. Open कर लो. 1 plus 2h plus h square plus a minus b माइनस से मैंने ब्रैकेट ओपन कर दिया माइनस एच. देख लो कहीं गलती तो नहीं हो रही है. ए से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ओवर हियर 4 से 4 कैंसिल, बी से बी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एंड ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. और दिस इज लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0. दिस वुड बी h स्क्वायर. इफ आई वांट आई कैन टेक h कॉमन आल्सो थ्रू आउट. यहाँ से h कॉमन ले लेते हैं. टेक h कॉमन. दिस वुड बी ah minus 2a, and this would be plus b divided by h से h कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Similarly, this minus b और ये कैंसिल हो गया. You take h common again. When you take h common, it would be 2b plus bh right? Divide by minus x, x cancel हो जाएगा. Then you can substitute the limit. Now you can substitute the limit. Limit डाल लो, x tends to 0. Write it down. पूरा एक बार लिख लो और फिर इसमें limit substitute कर दो. When you substitute the limit substitute करने पे a की value 3 आ गई. The value of a comes out to be 3. Now we have both the unknowns with us. A is 3 and b is 2. अब हमें फंक्शन की वैल्यू निकालनी r of 2. r of f of 2 कहां से आएगा? f of 2 यहां से आएगा. I have to use this. So now the function is f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus 4 when x is greater than minus 1. So f of x would be a is 3, b is 2 plus 4. I need to find f of 2. So this would be 3 into 4, 2 into 2 plus 4. That is 12 plus 4 plus 4, which is coming out to be 20. Jara dekho, do you have any option which has f of 2 as 20? Yes. It is there. The option is 3. So the correct option is 3. Oh my God. The signal is gone. This was a good question, slightly lengthy, and degree of difficulty was fair, good enough. We got the answer.